Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Settings because this is where Samsung exposes network controls. Tap Connections, then Mobile Networks. This is the gateway. Make sure your SIM is active and battery is above 20% since changes can trigger reboots. You do this to access preferred network type options and carrier-specific toggles. Once done, notice whether Data Saver or Airplane mode is off, because those block changes. Now proceed to the specific network mode selector, visible on most Samsung models. Now you pick a network mode. This determines speed and roaming behavior. Tap network mode and choose the highest option your carrier supports, 5G/4G/3G/2G for modern networks, or LTE if 5G is unsupported. You do this because the phone prioritizes the chosen radio bands and will attach accordingly. Make sure to save or exit to apply. Once selected, restart the device so the radio stack fully re-registers with the carrier, ensuring stable connectivity. Finally, handle advanced controls and a key troubleshooting step. If you need band locking or detailed radio options, enable developer options or carefully use Samsung service mode. Only do this if you know what bands your carrier uses, because wrong settings can cut service. If you lose signal after switching, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then off, and reinsert the SIM to force reprovisioning. If problems continue, contact your carrier to confirm provisioning and supported network modes. This is often the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.